Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily switch the burst in settings in your DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. To take the burst photos and have them and use them at first, when you are in the photo mode, scroll from the top to the bottom. From the bottom to the top. From the bottom to the top. Here, as I can see, we have the aspect ratio, that's not about it. And here, images per seconds. 5 pictures, 1 second, 15 pictures, 3 seconds, 30 pictures, 3 seconds. And now, if you have it set, the burst is done. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.